The refuse-derived fuel or waste-to-fuel plant at Tura in West Garo Hills was inaugurated today, the 17th of May 2022, by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, in the presence of H.E. Chang Jae-bok, the Ambassador of South Korea to India. This pilot project between the Government of Meghalaya, Tura Municipal Board and Chamhana GW, South Korea was finalized in a meeting between Chief Minister of Meghalaya and his team with senior officials of Chamhana Institute of Technology, South Korea, led by Mr. Dongmin Choi, Chairman, held at Shillong on the 13th of March 2019. The Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, who has accorded a lot of confidence and hope on the project, is positive that if the technology succeeds, replication of the same will go a long way in resolving the rising challenge of waste management faced in Shillong, Jowai, and other major towns of Meghalaya.
Kind of game-changing technologies that we need in today's world. And therefore, I am extremely happy and would like to thank the entire team that has made this happen, and would like to also state that countries like South Korea that have made huge advancements in technology and have been able to provide cutting-edge technology in many aspects in many regions and in many fields, they have a lot to contribute to the world. And I'm happy that we as a state, we as a town are today being able to collaborate with South Korea and with the nation and able to now bring the technology here. Excellency, I am sure that this is just the beginning. There will be many other areas of collaboration that we look forward to. I had visited here, I think some of you remember. And this has been something that has been a kind of a challenge for me. And I really wanted to do something, and I just didn't know what and how. But I knew that we need to reverse this entire process of dumping the garbage here to making this place green again. And more importantly, finding a way, a technology that would enable us to ensure that the future waste that we generate could be put to a lot of useful things.
This is my very first visit to Meghalaya. I'm very happy to see this win-win project from the technology developed by Korean SME and the Meghalaya state government. So I think this shows future of the government projects and cooperating together between Korean and Indian people and Korean and Indian companies. So through this, as the Chief Minister said at the inaugural ceremony, this is just the beginning of the process. And through this project, you are going to have the whole range of the garbage management, and then it will lead to the well-being and prosperity of the happiness of the Meghalaya people. And our embassy in New Delhi will make our efforts to further develop this kind of mutually beneficial project and cooperation in the future.